PTC introduces Creo 9, the latest version of our award-winning, powerful, yet easy-to-use CAD system. Creo 9 helps you deliver your best designs in less time, with enhancements to ergonomics design, MVD, simulation, generative design, and manufacturing. As with every release, Creo 9 introduces improvements to make design engineers more productive every day, including updates inspired by you, our customers. Let's take a look. The new Divide Surfaces function allows for expanded MBD and simulation capabilities, and the model tree has been improved to better communicate design intent. You'll also find improvements to Sketcher, Patterns, Surfacing, and ECAD to simplify and speed up your workflows. With Creo 9, the concept of fit takes on new meaning with improvements to ergonomics design. You can now easily manipulate mannequin positions and customize mannequin populations to better fit your target markets. And with the new Visual Field Analysis tool, you can build safer products that meet visibility standards. Creo 9 brings you firmly into the world of model-based definition with more clarity and less effort. You can customize and easily apply semantic surface finish annotations. These new symbols are compliant with the latest ASME and ISO standards, with information for downstream users. In addition, you'll find improvements to weld symbols and drawing hatch patterns, making them easier to use. Simulation-driven design continues to get better with Creo 9. You'll find improvements across the simulation portfolio, starting with numerous important enhancements to Creo Ansys Simulation and Creo Flow Analysis. Creo Simulation Live introduces real-time multiphysics for simultaneous structural and thermal analysis. And now you can analyze stress and fluid flow for advanced formula-based lattice structures in real time. Creo 9 also has new innovative generative design capabilities. For structural design, you can optimize to a given safety factor. And now you can conduct modal optimizations to generate designs based on the desired frequency response of the specified material. Creo 9 has valuable improvements for additive and subtractive manufacturing, making it easier for you to deliver high-quality, manufacturable products. In additive manufacturing, you'll find enhancements for stochastic lattices, user-defined support structures, and variable wall offsets for formula-based lattices. In subtractive machining, enhancements include 5-axis finishing toolpaths and adaptive feed rates for milling. Creo is better than ever, with exciting improvements to the tools you use every day. And all of it is fully integrated into the easy-to-use Creo interface. Powerful, innovative, easy to use. Deliver your best designs in less time with Creo 9.